Hello, fellow travelers. Today we're exploring Tivat in the beautiful country of Montenegro. Tivat is a photo-esque town. It sits on the Adriatic coast. You'll find sunny skies and sparkling water. This part of Montenegro has something for everyone. Come along and discover this wonderful place with me. We'll stroll the waterfront, we'll taste the local cuisine, and we'll see amazing yachts. Let's start our journey on the waterfront. The walkway stretches along the harbor. The sun shines brightly. The water sparkles invitingly. Palm trees line the promenade. They offer shade from the midday heat. The air is fresh and clean. The sound of the waves is calming. Take a deep breath and enjoy the view. It's the perfect place for a relaxing stroll. Feeling hungry? Tivat has many restaurants. They offer both local and international cuisine. Try some fresh seafood. It's caught daily in the Adriatic. The local wines are also excellent. For dessert, enjoy some baklava. It's a sweet pastry. It's made with layers of phyllo dough, nuts, and honey. Delicious. Tivat is known for its luxurious marina. Porto Montenegro is a sight to behold. It hosts some of the world's largest yachts. You can admire these impressive vessels from afar, but Tivat is more than just yachts. Visit the nearby Island of Flowers. Explore the historic Naval Heritage Museum, or take a boat trip to the Blue Cave. Tivat is an affordable destination. You'll find reasonable prices for accommodations and food. Come experience Tivat Montenegro. It's a true gem of the Adriatic. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and adventures. See you in the next video.